Taekwondo blue belt form. You're gonna learn it right with us. Let's do it. It's called Taegeuk Yuk Jang. My name's Jason Jacobs. This is Caden, and we're gonna teach you how to do the Taekwondo blue belt form. Hey, you can do this. I believe in you. Let's do it together. Here we go. Should be left with the left foot. We turn to the left. We go low block. Now we're gonna go front kick, step back, block. Like this. Make sure it comes from low here. Turn this way. Low block. Front kick, step back, block, and we're in a back stance, and we block like this. Now your left foot and your right hand come out and block. Now you come roundhouse kick, step down, step with the left foot, block, punch, kick, punch, turn. See how I'm coming from low? Block, punch, kick, punch. Now I love this next part. We do a double lower block like this. Then your right foot, left hand comes out. Now you go, roundhouse, step down, step out, low block, front kick, step back, block. Now turn low block here, front kick, step back, block. Now pivot on the left as we go here, double knife hand. Again, from here, pivot on the left. A lot of students make that mistake. Pivot on the left here. Now we go front stance, reverse punch, front stance, reverse punch. No key up there. I sometimes key up there. Left foot comes up, chin B. Now, follow along with us. See if you can do it. I'll go kind of slow for you so you can follow along. Ready, Caden? Chin B. Taegeuk Yuk Jang. Up. You can do it. Watch it again, follow along. Thanks for watching. My name is Jason Jacobs. This is Caden. Shout out to Connor behind the camera, and shout out to you for trying to learn the blue belt Taekwondo form. Thanks. Good night.